everyone, and thanks for joining me on Akshata's recipes today. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a Goan Ambotik recipe. Now I'm going to be using Mori or shark fish, but you can also use prawns for this recipe. This is super delicious, and the best part about it is that the longer you keep it, the taste even much better. So I hope you like today's recipe, and I hope you give it a try. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into the recipe.
So now we're going to prepare the masala. I'm using 10 Kashmiri dried chilies, 5 cloves of garlic, an inch of ginger. Here I have about 1 tablespoon of tamarind and 1 tablespoon each of coriander, haldi, pepper and cumin powder. Here I have about 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now we're just going to grind all of this using the vinegar to a very fine paste. We're not going to use any water when we're grinding this masala. So once our paste is ready, now we can prepare our ambotik. Now I'm just using 2 medium-sized shark fish or Mori fish which have been deep skinned and cleaned and cut into these type of pieces. I'm just applying about 2 tablespoons of salt, and we're just going to keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're going to rinse off all the water once it has marinated for about 15 minutes and clean off all the water. Now we're going to eat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. I'm just going to fry some garlic cloves and ginger and some onion. We're going to fry this till the onion turns a little bit translucent. Now once our onion is nice and translucent, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes, we're just going to add this masala paste that we have ground, and we're going to fry the masala along with our ginger, garlic and onion. Now this is a super simple and very easy recipe. You can also prepare this paste and just keep it in your refrigerator, and whenever you feel like making ambotik, you can just use it. Then we're just going to add about a cup of water and let the water come to a boil. And then we're going to add our fish and cook it, and we're going to add some salt to taste too. Now we're going to cook this on a low to medium flame till our fish is nice and cooked. It turns from a pinkish color to a white color, and you can also just poke it with a spoon or a fork to just see that it's cooked. So this is our ambotik. It's all ready. Now today I'm also going to share with you a very quick masala fried prawns. It's super simple and super easy. This is such an it can be used as a starter. You can just have it with dal and rice or sorak and rice or ambotik and rice. It just goes well with everything. So it's a super simple recipe and a very quick recipe too. Now here I'm just using about 1 cup of prawns which have been deveined, cleansed and washed very well. It's very important that you devein your prawns, because otherwise it could lead to a tummy upset. So that's a very key important factor whenever you're using prawns. Then I'm just going to put about 1 teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to mix it very well. We're going to mix all the prawns well with the salt, or you can just add salt to taste. Then I'm also going to add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. We're going to mix everything well, ensuring that all the prawns have been coated well with this haldi powder. And then we're going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or to taste. Now we like our food very spicy, so I've gone with 1 teaspoon, but you can always use 1/4 or just a little bit depending upon how much of spiciness you can tolerate. And then we're just going to keep this aside for some time, and then when we're ready to fry, we're just going to dust it with about 2 tablespoons of rice flour. We're going to mix all of them well because we want all of them to be coated very well with the rice flour. Now what the rice flour does is it makes it very nice and crispy, and I've also added about 1 teaspoon of fine semolina or rava. That adds a lovely crispy taste to the prawns. Now I've just heated about 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan, and we're just going to fry them till they're nice and golden brown on both sides. Now always fry them on a low to medium flame. Never heat up your pan or your oil to a smoky consistency or a smoky, your oil should not be smoking hot. It should be just at the right temperature. And once they're done on one side, you just flip them over and fry them on the other side too. So this is such a simple dish, a very easy dish, and it's really super delicious. You don't have to add a lot of other spices and stuff to this, because then the whole flavor of the prawns just go away. So I hope you like today's 2 recipes, and I hope you give them a try. Do let me know in the comment section below how you like today's recipes.
I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you're going to give it a try. It's super simple and simply delicious. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, because I need those big thumbs ups by hitting the thumbs up icon. Also, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Just hit the red subscribe button that you see somewhere below this video. And once you have subscribed, it will show you a small bell. Go and click on it, because that way, whenever I put up a video or a vlog, or I'm just online, doing a live streaming, wanting to chat with all of you, then you'll get a message for the same. So you can join me on my live streaming chat, and also you come to know when I've put up a new recipe. So saying that, I'd like to end this video here. So have a great day, have a great week, have a great month, have a great year. And stay healthy, stay fit, and be loving and kind to one another. So I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off till we meet again. Bye.